Welcome to Flourish Farm, Karatina. Thank you, our viewers. As you can see, we are doing azolla farming. Yeah, the azolla is rich in crude protein. We use it to supplement our feeds. It's rich in crude protein, giving us 25 to 30% crude protein. This azolla, you feed it on your livestock. You can give it to your pigs, the rabbits, the chicken, the BSF, and also for your fish. As you can see in my pond here, I have a lot of it and also have catfish to keep off the frogs. So you are welcome to our farm for trainings, for consultation, for pond construction. We also sell the dam liners. We also do other consultant services, including pond construction, installation of the dam liner, and also putting on the azolla for you. You're much welcome. Contact us through 0711 312 833 or 0716 137 589. Welcome.